In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's new AI meeting note taker. Whether you're managing team calls or client meetings, having clear, organized notes is essential for staying productive and on track. HubSpot's AI meeting note taker is designed to make this process effortless by automatically capturing and organizing key details during your meetings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set it up and start using it. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. To get started, head over to the HubSpot platform and log in with your credentials. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner here. You'll see the settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. Accessing this section is key because it allows you to customize and tailor your HubSpot experience to meet your specific needs. Now, from the settings menu, locate and select the tools option. Once you're in, scroll through the list of available tools until you find the section labeled Calling. Click on it. This area contains several features designed to streamline your communication processes, making it easier to manage calls and stay connected. Within the calling section, you'll see an option for call setup. Click on that to proceed. From there, select the call configuration section here. You'll need to enable a few important options to unlock the full potential of HubSpot's AI capabilities. First, toggle on the call recording feature. This lets the platform record your calls so you can revisit them later if needed. Next, activate transcription and analysis. This is a powerful feature that allows HubSpot to transcribe your calls in real time and analyze them to provide comprehensive summaries. These tools work together to give you better insights and ensure that nothing important slips through the cracks. Once you have those settings configured, it's time to enable the AI meeting Notetaker, still in the settings area. Locate the feature called HubSpot Meeting Notetaker. Once you find it, toggle it to the on position. Activating this feature ensures that the Notetaker starts capturing and organizing meeting details automatically. Whether it's action items, follow-ups, or key discussion points, this tool will help you stay on top of your meetings without the need for manual note-taking. And that's it. You've now successfully set up HubSpot's AI meeting note-taker, along with the tools to record, transcribe, and analyze your calls. From here on, you can focus on the conversation while HubSpot handles the rest. If you learned something new today or have questions about other HubSpot features, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.